When it comes to elevating your pumpkin carving artistry, the right tools make all the difference. Our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits are designed with precision and durability in mind, providing you with the means to carve intricate, professional-level details that simply aren't possible with standard carving kits. Let's take a closer look at how these Carbide burrs can help you create stunning hair-like textures or tendrils, perfect for themed pumpkins, such as a mesmerizing Medusa-inspired design. To begin, select a fine cylindrical Carbide burr from your set. This specific shape is ideal for creating long, flowing lines and delicate textures that mimic the look of hair. The cylindrical design allows you to control the depth and width of each cut, giving you the flexibility to craft anything from wispy, soft hairlines to bold, serpentine tendrils. Before you start carving, make sure your pumpkin surface is clean and dry. Sketch your design lightly with a pencil or marker, outlining where you want the hair or tendrils to flow. This blueprint will help guide your hand and ensure symmetry and balance in your final creation. Attach the fine cylindrical Carbide burr to your die grinder. Always wear appropriate safety gear, such as safety glasses and a dust mask, because the carving process can produce small particles and debris. Secure the pumpkin in place so it doesn't move during the detailing process. Now, gently press the spinning Carbide burr against the pumpkin's surface, following your sketched lines. Apply steady, even pressure, and let the tool do the work. The sharp, precisely engineered flutes of our Carbide burr will effortlessly carve through the pumpkin's flesh, creating clean, crisp lines. For hair-like textures, use quick, light strokes, varying your angle and depth to achieve a natural, flowing appearance. For thicker tendrils, like those on a Medusa-themed pumpkin, trace broader lines and gradually deepen the cuts to add dimension and realism. One of the advantages of using our USA-made Carbide burrs is their exceptional control and versatility. The fine cylindrical burr can navigate tight curves and intricate patterns, allowing you to create overlapping strands, curls, or even coiled tendrils that seem to spring right out of the pumpkin's surface. Because Carbide is an incredibly hard material, these burrs maintain their sharpness and efficiency carve after carve, ensuring that you get consistent, professional results every time. If you're aiming for a truly dramatic effect, consider blending different burr shapes. Begin with the fine cylindrical burr to establish the primary hair or tendril lines, then switch to a smaller, pointed burr for adding extra detail, such as tiny split ends or textured highlights. You can even use a rounded burr to gently smooth certain areas, creating contrast between sharp and soft textures that bring your pumpkin to life. After completing your carving, brush away any debris and gently wipe the pumpkin with a damp cloth to reveal the crisp, detailed lines. You'll notice how the Carbide burr's precision work captures light and shadow, making the hair or tendrils appear almost three-dimensional, a show-stopping touch for your Halloween display. If you're passionate about pumpkin carving and want to take your designs to the next level, our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits are a must-have addition to your toolkit. They're built for artists, makers, and enthusiasts who value quality and creative expression. If you found these tips helpful and want to see more creative carving techniques, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'd love to hear your thoughts and see your Halloween masterpieces, so leave your comments below and share how you plan to use these tools for your own pumpkin creations this season. Happy carving!